Artificial intelligence ounces. I don't know what it is. I think it's somehow they compute the weight of things in ounces very quickly. So we are looking at a special coin today. It is AIOZ. I'm not a financial advisor. It is the AI Ounces Network. Sorry, I shouldn't have made that joke. Probably some people might think it actually is. No. There's a reason why we are looking at AIOZ. AI. Well, some people call it
AIOZ.
AIOZ. Is that how you're supposed to pronounce it?
AIOZ.
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 AIOZ. You guys are a bunch of AIOZ. I like these guys. So anyways, guys, it's up 30% in the last 7 days. And that's one reason why we want to take a look at it. But, you know, what we're trying to do is we're trying to show you guys, like, we're looking at some of these coins. Why? Well, because we're looking at trends. We're trying to show you guys some trends that you might want to be focusing on. And we're talking about today the increasing adoption of decentralized content delivery networks, or CDNs. Now, this is, of course, in the DePin area. It is infrastructure. AIOZ, they have a unique focus on decentralized streaming infrastructure, positions itself as a major player in Web3's evolving landscape. And the trend to watch, like I said, is decentralized infrastructure. AIOZ's, excuse me, it's just a hard thing to say. AIOZ's CDN, their content delivery network, okay, it aligns with a broader push for Web3 scalability. And you are probably sitting there saying, what is he talking about? Because that's what I'm sitting here doing right now. I actually do know what I'm talking about, though. And we're going to go to the website. You know what? I think a good thing to do is to always show people how to go. What do you want to look at? Well, first thing, while we do Spotlight, very quickly, let's just check out the chart here for this and the numbers. $1.06 is down 8.3% today. You can look at the 1 month chart. See, it was on a steady decline. It bounced all the way back. It is down a little bit right now, obviously. Market cap is 1.2 billion. That's good. That's a good number. Fully diluted is the same thing, basically. So you don't have to worry about coins, you know, getting in or anything like that. There is no max supply per se, because max supply is infinity, it says. So very interesting. It's got an infinity sign down here, because that's not really what that seems to indicate. But I digress. That might actually just be a symbol for it. There's nothing there, but it does look like an infinity symbol, doesn't it? It is an infinity symbol. Or maybe it's the eyes of the web page. Sorry. Okay, so it is on the Ethereum network. It is also on BNB Smart Chain, and you can check out some of their other things right there. But one thing that I know that we do not show a lot of times is markets. So I want to make sure that we are showing the markets where you can buy this if people are interested in it. And we're not advocating, but I just want people to understand the way that you find these on something like CoinGecko, or we're going to have our own version out very soon. Are you looking for a reliable crypto exchange with low fees and high security? The search can be overwhelming with so many options out there. Join Phemex using my affiliate link. Experience top-notch trading features, low fees, and strong security. Click the link in the description to get started today. KuCoin, Bybit, Coinbase, Gate.io. These are all places that you can go and get the token. And let's see, is there decentralized exchanges? Curve. Yeah, it's on Curve.
Shouldn't it be on Uniswap if it's on ETH?
Well, I think, yeah, it's
go.
down there. No, well, but you got to trade it for Eureka. I don't know, guys. I don't know. I digress. These are why coins like this are so far down the list. You know, I mean, you go here to find some simple information, and it's not that easy to find if you can't find it on one click. And some people, they only want to use decentralized exchanges. And I think that really everybody uses Solana pretty much, I would say, use decentralized exchanges. But with, you know, for whatever reason, with Ethereum, some people still are using, I guess, centralized exchanges with them. But it is weird. Like you would think a decentralized exchange option would come up quick. And we could maybe investigate a little bit more and find out why. Not right now. We don't have time. So there you go. So there is the information. And then this is how you get to the website. It just says website right here. And you click on the website. So it is DePin for Web3, as you guys can see here. Now, what is DePin? DePin is the infrastructure that underlies some of the things that we use in blockchain, like AI.